All right, happy Wednesday, or not Wednesday, happy Thursday, everybody. See, I'm losing my days of the week. Yikes. Okay. Today we're going to be working on paragraph 2. So that's your first body paragraph of your argumentative essay. And I just want to say something first. If you've been struggling with the argumentative essay, just understand that that's okay. And this is the most difficult essay to write all year. That's why it's kind of frustrating for you and me both, to be honest. So I'm going to try to make this possible for you, but I want you to, I feel like I say this every video, but I want you to really just understand that I'm not going to do it for you. Okay, I will help you along the way, but if you're expecting me to like write sentences, have you copy them, that's not what's going to happen. Okay, so first things first, what you need to probably grab your brainstorm, and you need to open up 2 assignments. Okay, so you're going to open up your paragraph 1 and your paragraph 2. If your paragraph 1 is not completed, you need to stop watching this video and work on paragraph 1. There's a separate video for that located under argumentative essay videos, okay? But you should not be working on paragraph 2 without paragraph 1. You can't do it, okay? So if you need to leave and do paragraph 1, go ahead and do that. All right, if you are working on paragraph 2, then again, open up paragraph 1 and paragraph 2. Okay, so this is what paragraph 1 looks like. It should be completed. This is a sample of paragraph 1. You, under no circumstances, are to copy the sample. It is just an example for you, right? And this is paragraph 2. So go ahead and write your name, class, color, and date. I'm going to go ahead and let you pause. Make sure you filled out your header for your paragraph 2, and you have paragraph 1 open. All right, for paragraph 2, we're going to read the instructions. Always read the instructions. I feel like I put these here, and I don't know how many of you actually look at them, so let's look at it. Instructions. Your body paragraph should address the writing prompt and match up with what you put in your thesis statement in your introduction. This is why you need to have that paragraph 1 done. Now remember, your thesis statement in paragraph 1 is what's written here in yellow. Okay, now your thesis statement might look different from mine. This is my thesis statement. Okay, so we know that we have claim, what you're trying to prove, write your claim, and second reason. Cite textual evidence that supports your answer. Clarify, cite, clarify. Cool. Good to go. Instructions again. Copy and paste your introduction paragraph in the section below. Okay, that's what you're supposed to do. Copy and paste your introduction paragraph. So you're going to go back to paragraph 1. You're going to highlight all of this. You're going to Control C for copy. You're going to come back here and you're going to paste. All right, so I'm going to show you again. You're copying and pasting your introduction paragraph. So you're going to your paragraph 1, copying it, Control C, and pasting it here, Control V. I'm going to go ahead and pause and let you do that. Okay, at this point, you should have copied and pasted your introductory paragraph. If you've done this already, please raise your hand so I can come by and look, make sure that you did it correctly. Okay, now we're going to write reason 2 body paragraph in the section provided below. Highlight each section appropriately. Make sure to check your spelling and grammar. So these are the highlighting colors up here. Want to make sure that we follow that. So the first thing is your claim. What are you trying to prove? Write your claim and your second reason. So what you're going to be specifically looking at here is your thesis statement in your introduction. So whatever's highlighted in yellow. So my claim is parents should listen to the advice of their children because parents can be stubborn and children care about their parents' health. All right, it wants me to write my reason number 2. I believe those are the instructions up here. Write your second reason. So I'm going to go ahead and write my second reason. My second reason is not parents can be stubborn. That's my first reason. My second reason is children care about their parents' health. So your sentence is going to look different from mine. That's okay. We're going to write this in red. Parents should listen to the advice of their children. Because I'm not going to write parents can be stubborn. Remember, that's my first reason. My second reason is children care about their parents' health. Beautiful. Your claim is finished. I'm going to go ahead and let you pause. Write your claim for your second paragraph. It's your second reason from your thesis statement. All right, if you've already done this, go ahead and raise your hand so I can come and see, make sure that your claim matches with your thesis statement, but you're just using the second reason. All right, our next step is to cite. So we need to cite textual evidence that supports our answer. This is where your brainstorm comes in handy. Any of the page numbers that you put underneath your side, try to figure out which ones are really the best piece for your claim. So you want to find evidence specifically that supports this section. Okay, I'm going to underline it in mine. So for me, it's going to be children care about their parents' health. So I need evidence that shows children care about their parents' health. Now, if your brainstorm is not completed, then you're going to look at a specific assignment. It's going to be underneath week 9. It'll give you page numbers for specific reasons. If you did your brainstorm, you don't need this. All right, so for our first piece of citing, we're going to highlight in green. That's the color we need to do. According to page blank. Oh, I need to stop underlining this, huh? In the crossover. And then we're going to cite evidence. Citing evidence is kind of tricky. You want to make sure that you're copying word for word, but you want to make sure your reader is going to be able to understand. Sorry about that, my phone rang. So we cited our evidence, and remember, your evidence needs to directly connect to your underlined portion right here. Children care about their parents' health. If it doesn't connect to that and you're just citing a random piece of evidence, then your paragraph is not going to make any sense. So after that, you need to explain how does that support your claim. So what does this suggest? And your clarifying piece will be highlighted in blue. So this suggests that, and don't just explain to me what's happening. How does it show that he cares about his health? How does that show overall support your claim that parents should listen to the advice of children? Okay? Go ahead and pause your video, work on this. All right. What I'd like you to do now is raise your hand. So please raise your hand so I can come and check what you wrote. I want to make sure that it makes sense. All right, and then the second portion, you're going to do the same thing. You're going to cite another piece of evidence. This time you don't need to say the book. Make sure that it's word for word, typed correctly with correct capital letters, punctuation. Sorry, you guys, you're going to hear bells and stuff in my video. And then, again, you're going to write what this shows or what this suggests. We'll use a different transition word. Therefore, blank. This is your entire paragraph. If you don't have evidence, it's going to be difficult. But overall, it just needs to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sentences. If you need more than one sentence for your blue part, for the clarifying, to explain how your evidence supports your thesis statement, how it supports your claim for that paragraph that parents should or should not listen to the advice of children, then use more than one sentence. That's fine. The most important part right now is that you ask questions if you have questions. So raise your hand when you're done with the whole paragraph so I can check it. And then make sure that you do your spelling and grammar check. Okay, it's right here. There's even a little thing for you right here. Okay? All right, good luck. Continue to write. Watch this as many times as you need to. Use the evidence tracker that if you need to, and you will be good.